they can answer in their most comfortable language.
We'll be calling the first finalist, and for the rest, we'll have some headphones on, and we will ensure that they will not hear common question and also the answers of their fellow finalists. They will be given 40 seconds to answer until they hear this sound. There you go. And now we are making sure that the rest of the finalists can hear us. We can check. Michael, can you hear us, finalists?
Can you hear us? There's already a winner. All right.
All
I
right.
think we're safe.
Since no one's responding, that means they can only hear the music.
May we have the question, please? Thank you very much. We have Rosa Sang Santa Rosa, fourth runner-up.
Beauty of Santa Rosa, thank you so much.
Let's call in Ginoong Malusak, Gabrielle Benedict Feliciano.
Benedict, you made it this far. How are you feeling at this very moment?
The pressure the pressure that I'm feeling right now is different. And I'm still nervous, but I'm really happy that I'm here right now. I've made it this far. And I'm happy for my co-candidates, of course, that they made it this far too. Yeah.
And feel happy to answer the final question. It's Michael Vito for you. Get ready.
Ginoong Malusak, I shall be reading the question in English and in Tagalog. Are you ready? The question is, in a world increasingly divided by political ideologies and cultural differences, how do you propose to use your platform as Ginoong Santa Rosa to promote dialogue, understanding, and reconciliation among nations? Sa ating mundo sa kasalukuyan, kung saan ang mga mamamayan ay patuloy na nananahati dahil sa kanilang ideolohiyang politikal at pananaw batay sa kanilang kultura, bilang isang Ginoong Santa Rosa, paano mo magagamit ang iyong plataporma para sa hatirang pangmadla upang makapagmungkahi sa pagbibigay kaalaman sa mga tao upang maunawaan nila ang pagkakaiba ng bawat isa nang sa gayon ang bawat tao sa bansa ay magkaunawaan.
Thank you for that wonderful question. As a Ginoong Santa Rosa, I will be an advocate for the unity and diversity. And the key to achieving this is by promoting respect and understanding amidst our differences. And I will, of course, spread awareness about the importance of peace talk, diplomacy, and mutual understanding. And as we live in a more complicated world, conflicts grow bigger and bigger. But if we come from a place of diplomacy and respect, we can make sure that we can peacefully resolve and reconcile conflicts anywhere. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ginoong Malusak, Gabrielle Benedict Feliciano.
Now we will move on to our next finalist.
Now let's call in Ginoong Malibago, Kane De Paz. Hello, Kane.
Okay.
What kind of music are you listening to?
It's a remix.
Remix. All right, so we shall be asking you a question both in Filipino and in English. So Angela will be asking you the question. Are you ready?
I am.
All right, here is the final question. In a world increasingly divided by political ideologies and cultural differences, how do you propose to use your platform as Ginoong Santa Rosa to promote dialogue, understanding, and reconciliation among nations? Sa ating mundo sa kasalukuyan, kung saan ang mga mamamayan ay patuloy na nahahati dahil sa kanilang ideolohiyang politikal at pananaw batay sa kanilang kultura, bilang isang Ginoong Santa Rosa, paano mo magagamit ang iyong platapormang hatirang pangmadla or social media platform upang makapagmungkahi sa pagbibigay ng kaalaman sa tao upang maunawaan nila ang pagkakaiba ng bawat isa nang sa gayon ang bawat tao sa bansa ay magkaunawaan.
As a Ginoo, I truly believe in the power of unity and understanding. So I would use this platform to remind and encourage everyone to do their responsibilities as part of society and nations. I would give my full time and effort to find common interests and values, influence everyone to live cooperatively and create stable peace. So we must celebrate our differences for us to break stereotypes and rebuild trust among nations. Rosanians, always remember, we should focus on the things that unites us and work as one. Together, let's be the one. Let's be the change that we want to see in our world. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ginoong Balibago, King Nicholas.
Be the one and be the change. Now our next finalist is
Ginoong Pook Prince Yul Brinel Legaspi.
hello to you. Were you relaxed by the music that you're listening to?
Not really.
Not really? Still nervous?
Yes, but I'm feeling great because I still made it to the top 5.
Yes,
So, thank you,
congratulations. Now you may breathe in, breathe out, and Michael will read the final question for you. Good luck.
And the question is, in a world increasingly divided by political ideologies and cultural differences, how do you propose to use your platform as Ginoong Santa Rosa to promote dialogue, understanding, and reconciliation among nations? Sa ating mundo sa kasalukuyan, kung saan ang mga mamamayan ay patuloy na nahahati dahil sa kanilang ideolohiyang politikal at pananaw batay sa kanilang kultura, bilang isang Ginoong Santa Rosa, paano mo magagamit ang iyong platapormang hatirang pangmadla or social media platform upang makapagmungkahi sa pagbibigay kaalaman sa mga tao upang magawa nila ng pagkakaiba ng bawat isa, sa gayon ang bawat tao sa bansa ay magkaunawaan?
Thank you. It is understandable that we are divided by political ideologies and cultural differences. As a Ginoong Santa Rosa, I'd like to use my platform to educate our students about the importance of peace, respect, and mutual understanding. Peace and reconciliation should start with our children. When we teach them the value of reconciliation, forgiveness, and fear of God, we will be able to have a country that values mutual understanding, that promotes peace and diplomacy, a country who can show the world that any conflict and war can be resolved with respect and with respect.
Thank you very much, Ginoong Pook Prince Yul Legaspi.
Quite short and sweet. Thank you.
Now let's hear it from Ginoong Don Jose Carl Liguel Atienza.
Hello to you. Do you have any message to the people who are watching us right now, online and here?
To my family, friends, and supporters out there, thank you for your love and support since the beginning. Thank you.
Since the beginning. All right, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Your question is, in a world increasingly divided by political ideologies and cultural differences, how do you propose to use your platform as Ginoong Santa Rosa to promote dialogue, understanding, and reconciliation among nations? Sa ating mundo sa kasalukuyan, kung saan ang mga mamamayan ay patuloy na hahahati dahil sa kanilang ideolohiyang politikal at pananaw batay sa kanilang kultura, bilang isang Ginoong Santa Rosa, paano mo magagamit ang iyong social media platform upang makapagmungkahi sa pagbibigay kaalaman sa mga tao upang mapaunawaan or maunawaan nila ang pagkakaiba ng bawat isa, nang sa gayon ang bawat tao sa bansa ay magkaroon ng unawaan?
As a Ginoong Santa Rosa, what I can do is to use my platform to propose with our city Mayor Arlene B.R. Silias, in raising awareness about the importance of diplomacy and peace. This may be a small step towards understanding and reconciliation among nations, but eventually, it will teach our future leaders about the importance of diplomacy and peace talks in resolving conflicts and misunderstandings. As our parents taught us, walang problemang hindi nadadaan sa mabuting usapan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Ginoong Don Jose Carl Miguel Atienza. And finally, we have our Ginoong Makabli, Mark Ian Aracena.
Our last finalist. You are the last to answer the final question. How are you feeling at this point?
Actually, I cannot believe that I'm feeling it.
But you have to believe because we're already here. So I will be asking the question, we're reading it in English and in Tagalog. Are you ready? Here is the question. In a world increasingly divided by political ideologies and cultural differences, how do you propose to use your platform as Ginoong Santa Rosa to promote dialogue, understanding, and reconciliation among nations? Sa ating mundo sa kasalukuyan, kung saan ang mga mamamayan ay patuloy na nahahati dahil sa kanilang ideolohiyang politikal at pananaw batay sa kanilang kultura, bilang isang Ginoong Santa Rosa, paano mo magagamit ang iyong platapormang hatirang pangmadla or social media platform upang magmungkahi sa pagbibigay kaalaman sa mga tao upang maunawaan nila ang pagkakaiba ng bawat isa nang sa gayon ang bawat tao sa bansa ay magkaunawaan.
Thank you. As a Ginoong Santa Rosa, I will use this platform in a way that educate everyone that our differences must not be polarized us as a community, because our differences is a tool for us to understand each other, for us to find unity within our diversity. We must find a heart that respects different colors and to find understanding within our differences. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ginoong Makabli, Markian Arcena. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes our competition tonight. Once again, a resounding applause for all our finalists.
Yes, they truly deserve that applause. They did a great job tonight. And this year, there will be 3 crowns at stake. Ginoong Sikhayan Festival, Ginoong Turismo, and the much coveted title of Ginoong Santa Rosa 2024.
And with a legacy of excellence and creativity, prepare to be enchanted and inspired as we unveil the spectacular creation of the crown maker Manny Halasan for this year's Ginoong Santa Rosa 2024.